In this video, we will explore the top affiliate programs that are perfect for business owners who are struggling to find the best opportunities in 2023. Whether you're just starting with affiliate marketing or looking to boost your income, this video will provide you with valuable information on the most suitable affiliate programs. Number 1. First on the affiliate programs list is Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates has been one of the top affiliate programs for beginners since 1996. In fact, it was the first online affiliate marketing program in the world. Since its inception, it's been helping online marketers make money by advertising to the millions of customers that shop on Amazon each year. When an Amazon affiliate shares a link that leads to a sale, they earn referral fees from the transaction. And since thousands of businesses are learning how to sell on Amazon each year, the potential for affiliates to grow is seemingly infinite. To get started as an Amazon affiliate, all you have to do is click the Sign Up button on the Amazon Associates page. Commission rate anywhere from 1% to 20%, depending on product type. Payment cycle, 60 days after the current month ends. Amazon also holds payment until you earn at least $10 as an Amazon associate. Payout method, check, direct deposit, or Amazon gift card. Number 2. ClickBank is among the top companies with affiliate programs that appeal to all kinds of marketers. Its affiliate information is completely open to anyone. ClickBank started out of a garage in 1998, but quickly grew to become one of the top retailing and affiliate sites in the world. It currently boasts a large number of affiliates who've earned billions in commissions promoting ClickBank products. Because of its success and 20-year history, it's an excellent option for getting started. With tons of products to promote and a wide variety of companies to partner with, it's hard to pass up. Categories include business and investing, arts and entertainment, travel, sports, green products, home and garden. To become a ClickBank affiliate, you'll need to start an account, input your personal and payment info, and then finalize your account to get started. Commission rate, between 50% and 70%, on average. Payment cycle, weekly or bi-weekly. Payout method, Payoneer, wire transfer, check, direct deposit. Number 3. eBay offers one of the highest paying affiliate programs on the internet. The eBay Partner Network is where you can sign up to become an eBay affiliate. Commissions are in the 50% to 70% range. eBay gives affiliates the tools they need to promote eBay's products with as little fuss as possible. No matter how you choose to market products, eBay's affiliate program can be put to good use. Unlike some of the other affiliate marketing programs on this list, as an eBay affiliate, you'll be working directly with eBay and their products. While you'll be working to a small degree to help sellers, the primary relationship is between you and eBay. And just like Amazon, you'll be working with a platform that businesses want to sell on. With opportunities like eBay dropshipping, growth is virtually assured. As a bonus, eBay doesn't require you to work with it exclusively. You can be an eBay affiliate and still work with other merchants and programs to make additional income. To get started, you'll need to apply to join its affiliate program, which takes about 5 minutes. It's by far one of the easier application processes. Commission rate varies between 50% and 70%, depending on the product type. Payment cycle around the 10th day of each month to accounts that have made more than 10 units of a country's currency, i.e. $10 US, £10, etc. Payout method, PayPal and direct deposit, if the affiliate's country supports it. Number 4. CJ or Commission Junction. CJ is a 20-year-old affiliate marketing program that has been helping affiliates and merchants since day one. According to its website, the company works with twice as many internet retailer 500 companies than any other affiliate program. CJ also boasts that merchants favor its site twice as much as other affiliate marketing programs. And when you take a closer look at everything it has to offer, that claim seems to hold up quite nicely. Here's the vast list of niches you can find on the site, not to mention the all-inclusive other category. So with a reputation like that, it's not hard to see why it should be high on your list when considering which affiliate program to choose. Number 5. GiddyUp is suitable for beginners because it offers an affiliate manager and helpful tools to assist you with different aspects of its program. You can partner with over 150 DTC, direct-to-consumer, brands across a range of verticals, including travel, electronics, health and wellness, and more. GiddyUp's affiliates get exclusive access to these e-commerce businesses. The company also provides a creative library to assist your digital marketing campaigns, robust tracking, and real-time data. So you can analyze your performance month over month. Monitoring your performance can help you identify opportunities for improvement and earn more commission in the future. Commission rate varies based on referral types. Payment cycle, the 1st and 15th of each month. You must earn at least $25 in order to make a withdrawal. Payout method, foreign bank transfers, ACH and checks. Number 6. Impact is one of the few affiliate marketing programs that connects individuals with top brands like Airbnb, Uber, Adidas, and more. It's known for its automation tools to help streamline your campaigns and generate more sales. You can join and manage partnerships with these companies for free. The brands span various categories, including beauty, travel, retail, fitness, and others. After signing up with Impact, you get access to a marketplace where you find top brands and contact their affiliate managers directly. Impact generally pays by CPA, cost per action, which means you'll get a commission when your audience buys something through your affiliate link. Commission rate varies depending on the brand. Payment cycle, you can decide which day you want to withdraw your affiliate earnings each month. Make sure to stay tuned for more valuable tips and tricks.